Hello everyone. Once again welcome to my channel. My name is Shivakrishnan and I upload videos related to data analytics and its tools such as Power BI and Excel, and at times I upload videos related to writing prompts to AI. So in case you are new to my channel, I would like to extend a warm welcome to all of you, and to the existing subscribers I would like to thank you very much for your continuous support. So in today's video, we will be learning another DAX query, which is Countax. Okay, so now you may be wondering like, what is this DAX query and how is this different from the earlier DAX query, which is Count A. Now the thing is that this DAX query and that DAX queries, both of them are similar, with the only difference being this does the evaluation for each and every row. So in simple words, what this does is this does count the non-blank, which is the actual value, and at the same time it checks for every row whether there is active or inactive. So I'll just try to explain this. Okay, now this is a theoretical part. Now if I go by this, then you will not be able to understand. I'll just show this to you. Okay, now I'll walk you through the data set. All right, here we have the customer ID, customer name, phone number, and their status. All right, now in the previous count A DAX tutorial, I only had went by the um, non-blank. Okay, by eliminating the blanks. uh, so what I decided to do is I uncheck the blank with the help of DAX query, and then figure out that only 90 active customers, but that is not the real picture. So if I go by the additional filter, okay, and uncheck the inactive, and then you find out that the actual value is what, 38. So this is the actual count of customers who are there as per the data set. So that is what the Countax Dax query helps us in doing. All right, now how do we achieve this, without manually applying the filters? That's where this Dax query will be very handy. So let's find out that how we can do this by only writing a DAX query. Okay, and why do we need this? Like, we don't have to manually keep applying filter on a data set, and you only have to write the DAX query and that will does the filtering. And in case you are writing the DAX query for other calculations, then those calculations will not be affected at all, if that makes any sense to you. Okay, so we will see this actual customers is equals to count x. Okay, and then what we want to do is we want to filter out. First we will filter, that is our expression. Now in the filter DAX query, it is asking for the name of the data set, name of the table, which is file 52 data set for using count A DAX query. That's the one. And then what is the expression? We need the count to be active. So the status, it will filter out only active. That's where it will filter out. Okay, so this is not just restricted to filter out. In fact, it could be for true or false also. All right, if you have the column with, let's say, true or false or yes or no, this can be handy there as well. Okay, so I'll close this. So the filter part is done, and now it's saying expression. So this will count the non-blank, which is the actual phone numbers, and then return the real count. I'll close the bracket for Countax and I hit enter. And then when I place this in cards, it will give us the count as 38. All right, I'll select this. See, 38 customers, right? Amazing, right? So DAX queries are really awesome and helping us with plenty of calculations and give us the hidden insights in the data. Okay. All right, that's it for today's video. And in case you're new to my channel, you know what needs to be done with this channel, right? When you are on a YouTube channel, when you love the channel very much, you know what needs to be done. Okay. And yeah, thank you for patiently watching the video. I'll mention everything in the description so that you have an understanding. All right. And before I wrap up the video, all I would like to say is that of course there is a lot to learn in the field of data analytics and data science both. And the more we learn, the more we get to go into the depth of that. Believe me, you become very much valuable to businesses. So that the whole objective is that with the field of data analytics, we are trying to do is we are trying to discover that hidden patterns and what is the data trying to convey to us. And basis that we are going to help businesses in making some uniform decisions, using which businesses can make some better decisions, and that will directly have an impact on their cost, efficiency, profits, and overall well-being. Okay, I hope that makes sense, as in why we are here, why we are doing all this, right? So thank you so much for patiently watching this video. Take care and have a lovely day.